Installing the S23 Plus official screen protector on our S23 Plus. So in the S23 Ultra official screen protector box, we're going to be installing the S23 Plus official screen protector from Samsung. So in the S23 Plus box, you'll get a couple of more boxes. In one of the boxes contains your plastic installation jig, a couple of dust stickers, a microfiber cloth and a squeegee. Interestingly, there is no wet wipe to clean the screen first. In the other box, you'll get the two film screen protectors. First of all, remove the protective plastic from the installation jig. Then you can set your phone in, ensuring the charging port is facing the jig. Next, you'll want to clean the screen. Personally, I would recommend using glasses cleaner if you have some around, to lift off all the grease so nothing's left behind. If you don't have one, just skip this step. So grab the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen clean and dry. Then grab the dust sticker and dab it on the screen, removing any dust. Now you can grab the screen protector and remove the protective film in the center of it. Then carefully place this onto the jig, which will perfectly line it up with the screen on the phone. Now before you put it down, grab the squeegee and then push it up the phone so the center of the screen protector is stuck down. Now you can lift the top part of the screen protector towards you and push the squeegee up the phone, which will stick it down and remove the protective plastic layer. Now spin the phone around and repeat. With this method, you shouldn't have any bubbles. However, if they are, just push them towards the edge with the squeegee. Now finally, lift off the last protective layer and there you go, it's installed. So there you go. It's as simple as that to install the official screen protector from Samsung. Now, although this film screen protector does feel quite nice on your thumbs, it's still not as smooth as a glass one. And that's why I would personally pick a glass one over the film one. Let us know in the comments down below which screen protector you would prefer, glass or film. And if you want to purchase this screen protector, check out the links in the description too.